On the other side is the youngest and the cutest amongst our C1 friends. Introduce young Red Isabel. Leader is her name, Jesse. So what? Kids, do you have any idea what they are called fit or better good at marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Anyways, you have one? No. Well, actually, it's because of their front livers, which are shaped like a bird's wing. The term beanie bags may also be translated as wing footed, since the livers look somewhat like wings. In fact, sea lion appears to be flying underwater as they swing from place to place, right? Yeah. And they are also mistaken as seals. One of the differences between seals and sea lions is the fact that they have bigger front livers. There it is. And they can also turn their back forward, something seals cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. Well, there it is. And then they finally demonstrated it. So what's happening on the level box? What is going on? And you know what? They have this long and flexible necks. How flexible? Well, check this out. Their body is covered with a thick coat short towards the ear. Their whiskers have the sea lion sense of touch. It contains nerve fibers which make them sensitive. They also use their whiskers to aid navigation and to detect vibration from prey in the water. And their small external ears keep them in good sense of hearing both above and below the water surface. Sea lions like the marine mammal can see well both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit forests close to shores. Like rocky fields, street typhoons, and they have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent gliding abilities and can easily scale rocky cliffs. Well, they have a strong track record.
Clap your hands.
Now let's talk about their swimming abilities and the stabilizers. In the wild, sea lions generally cruise at around 11 miles per hour using the rolling movement of their front livers, while their back livers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And this is their normal swim. That's easy. Thank you very much, guys. There we go. But when chasing the prey or escaping predators, they will see a burst speed of up to 25 miles per hour. Now, both kids, who would you like to see it?
Yes!
Okay, how about that, girl? Why not? Why?
No.
What's that? What's that, girl? Oh, she can't hear you. Would you like to see the fast swim? Yeah! All right, girl. Well, you ready to go? Hit it! Wow, round of applause for you, girl. Now here's an interesting story about the sea lion. Did you know that the U.S. Navy has played a real damn big part in this special operation? Yeah, that's right. They are able to burn hole for up to 20 minutes, and they can dive hundreds of feet. Abilities that even the best Navy diver would be envious of. And since they cannot be detected by radar underwater, they are taught to recognize and avoid underwater mines. Alright, ladies, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, please count up. Louder.
Salute, salute.
Salute everybody. Thanks, guys. Okay, I'm sorry.
You forgot.
T-line were also used to search and recover equipment from the water. Now we're done. We have it all. So let's move on. That's where I'm just to go. Okay, is there something else?
You want to just
Where is this one going?
Yeah, join.
Let's move on to Belle. Let's continue the show. Okay, now, while waiting for her, so we're done, right?
You're missing someone.
Right. Are you sure about that? Is that what you're looking for, Isabel?
I think you're
Okay, so yes, Isis. Isis, is there one missing? There's no one. What is she looking for?
a ball.
Okay, well, I think. So, guys, is there one more missing?
Yeah.
Are you sure about that?
A ball.
Okay, so there's one more what's the missing object. You say?
A ball. A ball.
A ball. We have the ball. Any idea? What? Are you like Okay, there's one more missing gun. I think we want to search for the missing gun. Let's go. Okay, so we need to the end gun. Are you sure about that? There's one more?
I know.
Okay, what's that?
It's floating. I think
What's that thing missing? What do you mean, okay? She found it? Well, bring it on, Isabel. Okay, what do you think I should say, Isabel, when you're done? You get it now? Oh, be nice, girl. Okay, where is Isabel? Whoa, there she is, Isis. Look at that. Oh. All right. Amazing about it. Isabel, you may not be so sad with her. She's crying. Oh my, so sad. Poor Jack. Crying. both, I would have another one for my sister. Wanted to show that we're going to have special guests from you. We don't see the stage.
Sunday.
One liners are close together.
Ako, Sunday.
Now, if you're willing to volunteer, all you have to do is go there. Raise your right hand.
All, siya! All, all!
Raise your right hand.
Ako, Sunday!
Any of you like to know? Hello?
Adam Samon!
Any of you? Officer from the Army, sir.
Ayan!
Oh, yay! Daddy, Ocha?
Everyone here is familiar with Ocean Park. We have 6 out of American Sea Line. This is a fun game and only one game. And the game all the way from to the side of here. Stand here beside you, sir. What's your name? Leo. No? Dad, I'm gonna run a walk from Mr. Leo. Leo, is it your first time seeing a sea lion up close together? Yes. You know what here when they're all Ocean Park, you meet a trained sea lion? First thing to do is to swim with them. Okay, are you ready to swim, sir? All you have to do is do the same, okay? Okay, demonstration? Yes, just like that. Okay, are you ready? Stand here, girl. Now it's your turn. Stand here. And you can't see you're going to jump, okay? 1. Are you ready, sir? Oh, by the way, I'm just kidding. How about put your shaking glasses? Okay. Step forward, and still face down, stay, and smile glasses. Wow, you see that smile? Oh, really, Isis? You did it wrong, girl. Okay, now tell us, sir, is Isis nice? Is she nice? Are you afraid? No, you're not. How about now? You didn't work, Isis. No, you're not. Okay, well, Mr. Leo, here's some trivia for you about the sea lion. This is the sea lions are 34, 38 kilos. Do you want to count it to be sure? All you have to do is to put your hand inside Isaac's mouth, just like this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? Go ahead, I'm just kidding. The purpose of technique is just to grab the fish, but not to chew it. Slow it on, okay? I think you want to show it. Oh, voila, it magically disappeared. Okay, now Mr. Leo, it's your turn to beat Isis. Would that be okay? Okay, first you can Mr. Leo, follow me. Stand here, palm out. And here's a whole Louise. Okay? Because of Leo. Oh, hold it, sir. Now here's the deal. In a can of tree, you are from the toss of fish with glasses, just like this one. Okay? And if I shoot a cat with fish, you know what? You're so lucky. Because you're going to eat one of that fish. Oh, fun, yeah? Okay, are you ready, sir? Alright. Okay, now folks. Help us out here. Let's count. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, louder, please. Where's the tree? Another! Oh, let it go! Whoa, that's great! I told you don't catch it! Okay, well, we're not going to serve more boulder guys, sir. Step closer, guys. Alright, closer. Face the camera, sir. You put your left hand on your shoulder. And smile at the camera. Wow, nice smile. That's the nice thing for the robot. Hello, alright. Now let me ask Isis. Isis, are we done? We're not done yet? What? Tell me. You're still here. Alright, look at that smile, guys. Before you leave, I would love to give you something special. You have any idea what's that? No.
Kiss!
What? Kiss. Oh, really? Are you all here? Okay, until the other here. Alright. Are you ready here? All you have to do is and hold it for just about 3 seconds. Are you ready? okay. Behind that. Step close to glasses. There we go. How about holding for 3 seconds, sir? Wow, is that it? Now we're out for this video. Okay, thank you very much. You can now take a seat and enjoy the rest of the show. You're so welcome.
Dua na lang modela.
Later after the show. Who do you want would you like to see a dance number? Really? Would you love to see the dance? Really? Alright, keep it nice, sir. And we hope you get opportunity. We will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that what we do here on that greatly affects our collective species. Sea life cannot survive in a grassroots environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. We can learn more about these. Always doing
Bye-bye na, bye-bye.
Now guys, before you go, we would like to invite you to come and join us in a photo session with our sea lions. Wherein, just like our special guest, you too can be up close and personal with them and capture that very special moment in a photograph. So all you have to do is go straight to our photographers, those who are wearing the yellow-green shirt. So what are you waiting for? Go picture number one, thank you. Bye.
Go down and check out the show.